In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for SQL queries. Database Guide 2026. First, open your favorite web browser and head to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on the home page where everything you need is in one simple workspace. If this is your first time, don't worry. Grok is designed to be straightforward, even if you're just getting started with SQL. Next, consider logging into your Grok account. This is optional, but it's helpful because it saves your conversations and progress, so you can come back to your SQL questions later without losing context. Sign in is quick, and once you're in, your chat history becomes a useful reference. As a good practice, avoid sharing private database details or credentials in any chat. On the homepage, you'll see Grok AI front and center. Think of this as your conversational companion for learning and exploring SQL. You can ask questions in plain English, and Grok will translate your intent into explanations, examples, and guidance. Look toward the bottom of the screen for the chat bar. This is where you'll type your prompts. Keep it simple to start. Clear questions usually get clear answers. When you're ready, press enter or click the send button to submit your message. Now try asking Grok about SQL queries. You might type something like, explain the basics of SQL queries, including select, where, and order by, with examples. Grok will generate information that introduces the core concepts and typically includes sample statements you can study. If you already know the basics, tailor your request. For example, ask for a query that finds the top 5 products by sales using a sales table. The more context you give, such as your goal, the table names, or whether you're using MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server, the more precise the answer will be. If the first response isn't exactly what you need, ask again for more detailed information. You can say, break that down step by step, or add a join example using a customers and orders table, or convert that to PostgreSQL syntax. Follow-up prompts refine the output and help you move from general guidance to a solution you can apply. Ask for explanations alongside code if you're learning, or request just the final query if you're moving quickly. That's all there is to it. Go to grok.com, log in if you want your work saved, use the chat bar, ask about SQL queries, and iterate with follow-ups until you get precisely what you need. Keep practicing, and let Grok accelerate your SQL learning and problem solving.